You can now post a video in 30+ languages without ever turning on a camera. Here's how creators over 40 are scaling their channels with AI avatars. I know how it feels. You've got the knowledge, the audience, the ideas, but filming is exhausting. Setting up lights, fixing audio, doing take after take, it drains you. That's exactly why AI talking avatars is a game changer for creators like us. You record one training video. The AI studies your face, your voice, your expressions, your gestures. Then it builds a digital version of you, one that looks real and sounds human. After that, you just type a script and hit generate. Your avatar delivers it, with natural lip sync, eye contact, and the expressions your audience already trusts. Reach Spanish viewers, Japanese viewers, French viewers, all without a translator. No camera, no studio, no burnout. If you're serious about growing your channel without grinding yourself down, click the link below and try AI talking avatars today.